Maxi, owner of Shoryu.
Oh. So, until when to?
Chef, until when daw to? Sabi ni Sir. Until when?
Until August. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
And until kailan tatagal?
Until August.
August po.
August pa. Matagal pa rin.
Friday, Saturday.
Ba't hindi pa diretso ng bear, ano?
Malay po natin kasi baka po i-extend po dahil 4 months.
Depende sa extension. Right now kasi until August ng good. So here po yung mushroom na what we have here is king oyster mushroom from Taiwan po yung the concept niya. And as well as Wagyu from Saikoro and our Australian beef. Kebab. Okay, I'm Maxi, owner of Shoryu.
Yes, we're inviting you all sa MOA, Folklore MOA Sky, every weekends until August. Friday, Saturday, Sunday po yan. 4 p.m. No? 4 p.m. until 10.
Until 10 p.m.
Yes po. Masarap po yan parang steak. Yeah.
Definitely. That is Wagyu eh.
Yes.
Definitely.
Authentic steak.
Lalo yung mga galing na ng Japan, hindi nyo kailangan magpunta na ng Japan.
Yes, sir.
No?
Dinala na po dito yung...
Dinala na rito.
Taiwan, Japan, Korea. Like,
dinala na rito sa...
Very Asian. Everything Asian is here.
Asian fusion tayo. This week.
Okay. Sige, thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, meron tayong pre-taste. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.